Hey guests, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today is Tablescape Tuesday, hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I will link their channel info in my description box along with the playlist link. Now, this is an open collab, so any content creator can participate, and all the ladies ask us to do is to create a beautiful tablescape in any style of our choice. But before we get to my tablescape, the Rodgers House wants to do a shout out to Anna Lee's Cupboards. On her channel, she does some beautiful tablescapes and much more. So please go over and visit her channel and tell her that the Rodgers House sent you. So in today's tablescape, I'm showing you a short, super cute sunflower tablescape. So let's get into the video. I started off with these beautiful Rachel Ashwell sunflower placemats, and then I topped them with my rose gold charger plates that I purchased from Pop Shelf. Then I put these beautiful sunflower plates that I purchased from Home Goods on top of the charger plates. Next, I used my beautiful soft pink stem wine glasses, also from Home Goods. The stemless wine glasses are from Pop Shelf. That beautiful embossed fruit bowl is filled with an assortment of colorful pumpkins, and that completes the tablescape. I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video to music. So guests, I hope you enjoyed my sunflower tablescape, and if you did, please leave me a comment. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.